The first time of day zone that we talk about is 9:40. Boom. That's the 9:40 shift. The next one is the 10 o'clock shift. That's the number 2 in this gray Eastern time. That's this gray zone here. And the way we trade CTV is you open up your computer. Let's say it's 9:48, 9:10, whatever, 9:50, and you go, okay, I want to trade. You look at price action leading up right up to the time, that you look at your charts. So I'm going to ask you all, what direction is the market moving when you opened your computer before 10 o'clock? Up. Very good. So if you're going into a time of day zone such as 10 o'clock, what would you be looking to have happen at or around 10 o'clock? You're looking for a shift down. So there's no gambling, hoping, or guessing. This methodology is for you to examine the market, not what you think it's going to do, not to predict what it might do or hope somehow what it could do, but to look at what it's actually doing and then look for the shift in the other direction. Now, let me be clear about that. You're only looking for like a 7, 8, 9, 10 point shift in the SPX, which would be about 50, 70, 80 cents on the SPY. You're not looking for a trend shift. You're just looking for one of these. Whoop. And they just happen to happen at the time of day zones that I've discovered. Look at this. Is this incredible or what? Do you see it? Do you see how it shifts here? Do you see how it shifts here? Do you see how it shifts here? Come on. Tell me that's not a discovery. When I first saw this, I was like, wait a minute. Didn't it do that at 9? Didn't it do that at 10:40 yesterday and the day before? And I went back and I went back and I went back and I'm like, nobody has talked about this. Nobody out there in the interwebs has time of day zones when the market could potentially reverse on 0DT options using SPX, doing verticals into butterflies. Yeah, nobody. But this is great. So back to this, up, looking for what? The only thing I'm looking for here, the only thing I want to see, I only want to look for one thing. What's the one thing I'm looking for here? All right, I've already determined it's up. I'm looking for one freaking thing, one simple little visual, one and only one. No, the shift, that's a big thing. A little thing, just one little freaking thing. Just show, no, not a pullback. That's big. How can you deter? By the time you figure out, KT, that it's a pullback, then you're already here. Just a reversal candle. Yeah, the solid candle. I'm going to take you down the road here. Here it is. Here's the road. I'm just waiting for a candle that's solid. Doink. And guess what time that was? Isn't that an expression in one of the communities out there? You know what time it is. 9:58. There it is. Boom. Okay, I got the solid candle. I got the move. I got the time of day. I got the solid candle. I'm only looking for one. I'm going to make this so damn simple for you. I'm only looking for one other thing. What's the next thing I'm looking for? Just one. A confirmation candle. What is a confirmation candle? Well, it's when price breaks through this candle in the same direction. Because how many times will you see something like this? Look, is that a reversal candle right there? Would everybody think that, let's just say that this was moved up a little bit more towards 10 o'clock. Isn't that a reversal candle? It is, right? Yeah. Is there a confirmation candle right after it? Or right after it? Or right after it? No. So it invalidates. There's a no trade here. Bye-bye. Wait for the next train. Here's another one. Does it have a reversal candle? This is iffy. Okay. So then what do? If it's iffy and I don't have it, reversal candle. What am I waiting for next? No guessing. No, just Tell me straight up one thing that I'm looking for next. The confirmation candle, because I don't have one, right? There it is. I got it. Check. So just recap. The direction leading into the time of day zone is up. So I know I'm looking for a reversal to the downside. This is called what? That's my narrative. I open up my computer. I see what I see. I know it's coming up on 10 o'clock. I know price is going up. I am going to look for a reversal. Then I look for the setup. What is the setup? One freaking thing. A reversal candle. That's it. And if I get that, then I'm looking for the confirmation candle until I get it. If I do get it, then I'm only looking for one other thing next. Not the 5-minute chart, not the VIX, not the dots. Just one thing. Just the cross of the 3 over the 5. That's all I want to see right there. You see how they're stacked beautifully right here? I want to see them cross. Show me that you mean it. Did you really mean it when you said, do you mean it? Yes. Reversal candle. Confirmation candle. I'm using my MA trend indicator so that they'll turn white when those two moving averages cross. Bang, I have it. Narrative, setup. The setup, what was the setup? Reversal candle, confirmation candle, and moving average cross. I got it. I got my setup. So now I look to my indicators. Now I want to check my indicators. So when I look at my indicators, I look straight down and I go, dun, dun, dun. Well, the RSI is not below the 50% line. And I don't have shift dots yet. And I still have green, although it's starting to turn red. It's at the top here, which I love. So I'm almost there. I got to wait, though, don't I? So I wait, and I wait, and I wait, right? What am I waiting for? I'm waiting for my 3 indicators to move where I need them to move. But I'm also waiting for a pullback entry. So price, no, almost, no, almost, looks like it, think I got it, okay, right there. I think I can take the trade. Boom. There's my move to the upside. I got my little pullback there, didn't I? But the pullback could do this. So it has to come back down. And it does. And there it is. And then I wait. And what do I get? Doink. I get the move. I got the dots. I got the red. There's my trade. Boom. I only need that. That's my CTV. Yes, I could have gotten it here, but I have rules to follow. Let's look at the next one. Price is coming down. You open up your computer. It's 10:30. What direction? See if you guys can answer faster now. What direction is price going in when I open my computer? Here. Down. So what am I looking for? Boop. Great. What's the first thing I want to see? Just number 1. Dun, dun, dun. There's a reversal candle. Boom. What's number 2? Confirmation candle. Boom. There it is. Moving average cross is number 3. There it is. Boom. It turns blue. I got it. Let me check my indicators. I go down to check, and what do I see? I got blue. Momentum's turning, and I got green. I got it. And I'm almost there. Beautiful. Now I just need the pullback. Where's the pullback? There it is. Right there. Everybody see the solid candle here? That's my pullback entry right here. I want to see it then reverse, which it does. Now I'm up on a level here, so maybe I'll wait till I get above it. Boom. And there's the trade. Boom, boom, boom. Right there. Beautiful trade. Got that one? Got that one. But I used rules and tools to get me there. Let's look at another one. Open your computer. Down, 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 down. Here we go. Coming up on 11:30. We know 11:30 is the time of day zone. Going into the lunch box. What am I looking for? Reversal candle. Confirmation candle. Moving average cross. I look down. RSI is over 50. I got blue dots. I got green oscillator eventually right here. Beautiful. I wait for any one of these pullbacks. Could take it anywhere that you like. There's your trade. I mean, that's it. There's obviously more. But I'm showing you, if you just did this on paper for a week, I think you'd have it. Let's look at the 2 o'clock shift because Cake took this one. So here, price is moving in what direction? Grinding what? Higher? Higher? Coming up on 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock's a big one. We know 2 o'clock is a big one. What do I get? Reversal, confirmation, cross. There's your RSI. As if it, I mean, look at this. Look how this just magically shows up. Look at the dots. Magically, finally, all go. Look at the cycle indicator. Confirm. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Boom. 1, 2, 3. Wait for your little pullback buy, either here or here. And there it is. Bang. CTB.
Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video from Trade With Me Now. Make sure to go ahead and like this video and subscribe to our channel so you make sure that you catch our next video right when it's released. Also, if you have a question or comment, please leave that in the comments section below. And of course, if you want to learn more about Trade With Me Now or join our community of profitable traders, go to tradewithmenow.com. There's also a link in the description below.